Hey friends! Never worry about a dead battery again with these powerful, compact, and reliable jump starters for any vehicle. In this video, we're taking a look at the best jump starters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the SCATAC 4000A car jump starter. This 4000A powerhouse is a vital companion for any motorist, capable of reviving 10.0L gasoline and 8.0L diesel engines in seconds. It efficiently doubles as a portable power bank for your mobile devices while offering an integrated 3-mode LED flashlight for nighttime safety. The clear digital display keeps you informed of battery status, ensuring you are always prepared for roadside emergencies. Advanced protective technology makes it spark-proof and user-friendly for everyone. Its sleek, compact frame fits perfectly in any glove compartment for convenient storage. You can rely on its robust build and the peace of mind provided by a full 12-month manufacturer warranty. Whether you are on a long road trip or just commuting to work, this lightweight device ensures you never have to wait for roadside assistance again. Next up, our second product, the Sevso A11 Jump Starter. Delivering a massive 5000 A of boosted cranking power, the A11 is designed to jumpstart heavy-duty trucks and yachts alike. This versatile unit can handle up to 50 starts on a single charge and remains in standby for a full year. It serves as a high-capacity 80.66 Wh power bank, featuring dual quick-charge USB ports for your essential electronic gadgets. The 500-lumen flashlight and real-time LCD display provide critical information during stressful nighttime breakdowns. Equipped with heavy-duty all-metal clamps and 10 layers of safety protection, it prioritizes user security above all else. This kit is further supported by lifetime technical assistance and an impressive 2-year return policy for total customer confidence. It is a reliable solution for anyone who needs high performance and long-term battery storage for their seasonal vehicles or professional equipment. Coming in at number 3, the Soramir 5000A car jump starter and tire inflator. This all-in-one emergency toolkit combines a 5000A jump starter with a high-speed 160 psi tire inflator for maximum roadside utility. It reliably starts 7.0L gas engines even in extreme freezing temperatures while being able to pump up tires in just 60 seconds. The intelligent auto shutoff and 5 preset modes ensure you never overinflate your equipment or vehicle tires. Its innovative honeycomb cooling system reduces internal heat by 30%, significantly extending the device's operational lifespan and safety. Beyond power, it functions as a mobile charger and a long-lasting LED flashlight with 68 hours of continuous runtime. This beginner-friendly device features 10 smart protections, making it a truly indispensable safety accessory for every modern vehicle owner. It is specifically built to handle the toughest conditions, ensuring you have both air and power whenever you need them most on the road. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Trekure Portable Car Jump Starter. Boasting a professional-grade 8000 A peak current, this portable beast can even tackle massive 12.0L diesel engines using its unique force start technology. The heavy-duty 8AWG jumper cables provide superior conductivity, while the rugged, waterproof housing ensures reliable performance in the harshest outdoor conditions. It houses a massive 26,800 mAh battery capable of fast-charging your drones or smartphones via 18W USB ports. An 800-lumen LED array offers 3 signaling modes to keep you visible and safe during any emergency situation. Despite its raw power, the design is surprisingly small and features V0 flame-retardant materials for ultimate safety. This shock-resistant unit supports over 1,000 recharge cycles, providing dependable long-term security for any traveler or professional driver. It is engineered for those who require the maximum possible amperage in a package that fits easily into a standard travel bag or a medium-sized glove box. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the SCATAC 3000A car jump starter. This compact 3000A current generator is specifically built to revive 12V vehicles like tractors and motorcycles up to 50 times on one charge. Its incredibly small footprint mimics a standard smartphone power bank, making it the most portable high-performance safety tool on our list today. It safely handles gasoline engines up to 9.0 L, providing a quick burst of energy to get you back on the road. The smart jumper cables feature spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, ensuring a safe experience even for absolute novices. Additionally, the unit serves as a versatile mobile charger and includes a multi-mode LED flashlight for various emergency scenarios. Complete with a protective storage case and a full year of technical support, it is a convenient and essential safety upgrade for any driver. Its durability and ease of use make it the perfect entry-level device for someone looking for reliable protection without the bulk of larger units. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.